Hello, my sweet friends. This is Donna, and I have been working on some singed fabric flowers today. So let me show you what I have. I have this little one, and it is about, let's see, 2.5 inches, 2.5 inches wide. None of them are perfect. They're made to look like real flowers, fresh out of the garden. I did not put felt on the back, so you can do whatever you want with them. But they're all handmade. There's the smallest one, and it is 2.5 inches. Here's this one. Put it on here. Let's see the widest point, and it is about 2 and I'm going to say a little over 2 3/4 inches, almost 3 inches. And there's what it looks like. Here's the back. Okay, here is another one. And let's see, it is about it's about 3 inches wide. And again, none of these are perfect. They are made with the singeing process. Okay, so there's 3. Here's another one. And let's see how big it is. It's a little over. It's about 3 1/4 inches wide. There's the back. Here's this one, and again, none of these are made to look perfect. They're made to look like flowers right out of your garden. Okay, so this one's about 3.5 inches. There's what it looks like. And the largest one. Let's see. And it is about 4 inches. Has little beaded rhinestones in the center of it. There's the back of it. These will be available in my Etsy shop shortly. And there you have it. My beautiful handmade flowers that I've been working on today. So thank you. God bless. And have a good day. Bye-bye.